Plenty of fishing to be had on the pier here. Popular with fishing out here. Lots of fishing, very popular. Today I'm in the township of Portarlington on the Bellarine Peninsula, Victoria, Australia. It's a beautiful little seaside town. There's a pier here beside me. Let's go for a walk out on the pier and have a look. Heaps of people swimming out on the beach. Start of November, spring is here. Beautiful down here today. Welcome to Portarlington, Bellarine Peninsula. Portarlington is 1.5 hours drive from Melbourne. It's down on the Bellarine Peninsula, Victoria, Australia. I'm going to go for a walk out on the Portarlington Pier. Pedestrians, vehicles. So let's walk this way. Portarlington has a population of just 4,500. It's a township of the greater city of Geelong. But during the summer months though, there are thousands of people camp and holiday here all summer long. By the way, there's a great pub at the top of the hill, great food and drinks. It has accommodation too. Fishing boat stored down there. Plenty of fishing to be had on the pier here. From here I can walk on the wooden pier or up on the rocks, the breakwater there, so let's do both. I'll walk out here on the wood and then I'll walk back on the break. Lots of fishermen over there. Beautiful day. Here's the Portarlington flyer, Port Phillip ferries. This ferry here behind me runs between Portarlington and Geelong and Melbourne, the docklands. So you can jump it on. So you can jump on it from Geelong or Portarlington here. And it goes right across Port Phillip Bay.
Did I do that? What were you saying? What were you saying?
So there's a nice big break goes out here. It breaks the waves from the shore, keeps the beach protected, and it's protection so the boats can get in a bit here safer too. And popular with fishing out here. Okay, you've got a couple of warnings out here: slippery and loose rocks, uneven surfaces and unexpected waves. And lots of fishing, very popular. Can actually see Melbourne out there with the naked eye. Let's see if the camera's picking it up. Lots of dead starfish here. I think they're a menace, and I think when you pull them out you've got to not put them back. There's quite a few starfish. There's a yacht going out. See, right across to Melbourne over there. And around here we have the Yuyangs over in Lara, across the other side of the bay there. That's a mussel boat going out. It's going to go collect the mussels that are growing off the structures. Alright, now we'll walk back.
Fish out of the net to use the net.
It's all happening out there. Okay, I'm going to walk back along the break wall this side this time. Caution, deep holes, steep grades and uneven surfaces. And take your rubbish home with you, please. Be careful of the unexpected waves. So this is the third pier. Here's the original, part of the original pier that used to be here in Portarlington. A tale of 3 piers. So this is the third pier in this location. Each reconstruction of the pier was improved upon the last. Makes sense? And this is the original section that was built in 1859. Awesome. Have a beautiful beach down here by the pier. It's so busy today. And there's donuts and ice cream over here. Gelati and donuts. Woohoo! Ice cream and donuts, always popular. Big queues there. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hook me so you can find me again. Support my channel. Thank you. Stay safe and enjoy the journey out there.